Dinkar sir will not come today.
No, he will not come.
Today is Mother's Day, I think.
Yeah.
आ जाओ वैंसी आ जाओ आ जाओ बेटा
Hello, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Still many to come, no?
Still people are not here.
Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Hello?
Hello?
Hello? Still many to come, no?
Yes, ma'am.
5 minutes will take time, no? After that we can start, otherwise no one will be there.
Yeah.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Rashmi, ma'am, are you there?
Yeah, I'm here.
I think you continue your
Hello?
class because Priya, Shuman, and Kamal from today onwards, 11 o'clock, only Rashmi, ma'am, will take care of the class, okay? Me and Lavina will continue at 5 o'clock. Done? Rashmi, ma'am, you continue
Hello?
the class.
Good morning, everyone.
Good
Yeah,
morning,
yeah,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Yes. So what the thing is, we have told to be to the revision. So tenses. So what was there? So tomorrow I'll do part of speech. Okay. So today I'll be revising the tenses. So tenses because most are not still they are not knowing. Still they need some revision. So that was a view from everyone. So we thought to revise once again, and we'll tomorrow we can stop this and we can start the part of speech. Okay. So today we will revise the tenses. So tenses everyone are knowing. So it is very easy topic, and each one can give me the examples of each. Okay. So till 12 I'll be taking the class. So each one have to participate. So those who are come, they can't leave, and everyone should be present. The rules is there. So everyone should be there till 12. So 5 minutes early or 5 minutes after, the 1 hour session will be there. So everyone should attend. So this is revision such that once again you revise everything what to be, how to make the sentences in each one, and we can leave. Okay.
Hello? No, your voice is not
Okay. So,
coming properly.
hello. Can you hear me
Your,
now?
yes, ma'am. Just now it's audible.
Hello. Okay. Okay. See, we will revise the tenses once again, and tomorrow we will start parts of speech. Okay. So now we will be doing the tenses. So tenses, revision of the tenses. Okay. So because most have been not understood, not practiced well, so we can do the tenses. Okay. So Suman, Suman,
Yes, ma'am.
hello. Yeah. So everyone should be there till 12. Only 1 hour I'll take, or 5 minutes early I leave, but everyone should be there. No one should leave the class. Yes. Suman, so what are the types
Yes.
of tenses? Are they main tenses and different forms of tenses? So what are they now?
Ma'am, three types of tenses.
Suman? Yeah, main. So totally how many are there?
Past tense, future tense, and present tense.
Yes. And so 12 tenses are there, main, no? So that is, these are the 3 tenses. So in that again we have the division, yes or no? So
Ma'am,
what
your
are
voice is
the
not
all
clear. We can't understand what are you saying.
No, your voice is breaking.
Yes, ma'am.
No, your voice is breaking, ma'am.
hello?
We can't understand.
Hello?
And we are not audible.
Hello? Now? Hello?
Hello.
No,
Hello? Now?
not audible.
Suman? Hello? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Hello? Hello? Suman,
Hello.
No, your
Hello.
voice is not
can you
audible.
hear?
Ma'am, actually, your voice is not clear. That's why.
No, I'm where, when you said it's clear, where I was, I'm there itself. I didn't change my place. Can you hear now, Suman? Hello?
Hello.
Suman?
Hello.
Hello?
Paresh, why are you muted my call? Hello. Priya, are you able to
Suman?
understand?
No,
Yes,
no.
Suman.
We can't understand.
No,
Hello,
Suman.
Priya, are you able to understand what ma'am is saying?
No, Suman. I can't hear properly.
Yes, because I also, that's why I'm saying ma'am is not, I
Your
think,
voice is
listening.
not clear to me.
Okay.
Now? Hello?
Hello. Hello.
Kamal, are you able
I
to
can
understand?
hear your own voice now.
No, ma'am. We can't able to
Hello?
understand. What are you saying?
Hello? Can you now? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Hello?
Hello, ma'am.
Now, Suman? Can you hear
Yes,
now,
ma'am.
Suman?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Hello?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm able to understand. Oh, yeah.
Hello? Hello? Can you hear now, Suman? Hello?
Suman has
Hello.
Can you hear?
Yes, ma'am.
Hello?
Hello.
Yes, Sheetal.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So why can't hear? I can hear everyone voice. Why you can't hear my voice? I'm not getting.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Still, your voice is not clear to us.
Yes, ma'am.
So I roamed everywhere now, wherever it's possible. I can't stand. It's a place. I can't go anywhere else.
Oh,
Yes. Hello.
yes, ma'am.
Hello.
Yes. So tenses. We are saying no. So tenses. So what are the different forms of tenses? So
Hello.
Sheetal.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello, Sheetal. Yeah.
Hello.
So can you say me different parts? Hello.
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 Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Hello. Can you hear me?
Yes, yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Say me different parts. Yeah. Different parts of tenses. Types.
Simple present types. Present. Simple present tense. Present continuous tense. Present perfect tense. Present perfect continuous tense.
Yes. Then past.
Past. Simple.
Past.
Simple past tense. Past
Mm.
continuous tense. Past
Mm.
present. Past perfect tense.
Mm.
Past perfect continuous tense.
Yeah. In the
Same
same
as
way for future.
future.
Say me.
Yes,
Mm.
ma'am. Present. Future present tense. Future continuous tense. Future perfect tense. Future perfect continuous tense. That's all.
Okay. Okay. So yes. So what the when if it is a
Can.
present tense, so simple present tense. So
Yes, ma'am. The the present working. Example I. Hello.
yes, yes, ma'am.
Hello.
Yes. Example for present.
Present.
Hello.
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 Hello. Hello.
Yes. Yes. Say no. Say no. Hello. I'm hearing.
Hello.
Say hello. Hello.
Hello.
Yes. Say no.
Ma'am. Ma'am, what?
Yes. Hello.
Hello.
Simple present. Example. Simple
Simple
present
present.
tense. Mm.
I'm Sheetal. I'm
Okay.
fine.
Simple.
Simple.
Okay. Simple continuous.
Simple continuous.
Yes.
Hello. Simple continuous. I'm I am playing cricket match.
Yes.
Ten.
Yes. Correct. Yes. Perfect. Simple
Perfect.
perfect. Hmm. What you will add? What you will add for present
I have
perfect?
played cricket match.
Has not have.
I
We
have
have.
played
They have.
cricket. Have. Oh. He has
Continuous. No,
played
I have
cricket match. Hello.
perfect. Yes, perfect. Continuous.
Perfect continuous. I have been doing the work.
Yes.
Hello.
From yesterday, something. Yes, that is correct. I have
Yes.
been doing. Yes. So,
Doing the work.
yes. Kiran. 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 Hello. Kiran.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, good morning. Say the examples for the past perfect, past simple past, past perfect continuous. So for that, give me example.
Past perfect
Yes.
continuous.
For all from simple past, past continuous, past perfect. Our network. Hello. Past tense.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, for past tense, give me example.
Ma'am, from past
Hello.
continuous, past perfect, continuous examples.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am, from
yes,
past
Kiran.
continuous, I was
Yes.
playing.
Yes, I was playing.
Past perfect continuous example is he had been watching.
Yes, correct. Simple past.
And in past perfect example is he had worked.
Yes, he had worked. Yes. Paras. Paras. Hello, Paras.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So revising tense, no? So future, about future tense, you say no, future simple future, future continuous, future perfect continuous, and future perfect tense. Example, man. Give me example.
Ma'am,
Future
example of
tense.
what? Future tense.
Yes, yes. Future.
I will do my work. I will do my homework.
Yes, correct.
I will go to
Continue.
my college.
No, future continuous.
Future continuous.
Yes. I will be, say.
Uh, I I will be doing my work. I will be going. I shall be play cricket. I
Continuous.
will.
I shall be playing cricket. Yeah, playing cricket. And continuous, no? Yes, future perfect.
So it may future continuous.
Yes, future perfect, you said. Future perfect. Now,
Future perfect.
example. Yes, now perfect. Another example. Give me.
Future perfect. She will have to. No.
She will have finished her work. She
She
will
will
there
have finished her work.
finish. Yeah. Future
Work.
perfect
Finished her
continuous.
work.
Future perfect continuous.
फ्यूचर परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस में क्या होता है?
Will be है, will आता है, be form आता है. Say no. Future perfect continuous. We will have been playing cricket. Future
We have
perfect
been playing
continuous में
cricket.
will be there, have will be there, be form and ing will be there. Yes or no? So we will have been playing cricket from morning. So you give another one example. Future perfect continuous. Future perfect continuous. Hmm?
He will have been watching TV
Yes,
for
correct.
an
From
hour
morning. Yes.
for morning.
Okay, Paras. Okay, good. Vipin? Vipin? Hello, Vipin? 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 Hello, Vipin? Vipin? Hello, Vipin? Vipin? Priya? Hello, Priya?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Vipin is not there, I think. So give me the simple past form of work. Noun work form I'll give you. Give me the past form of it. Okay. Go.
Went.
What will become? Went, yes. Sent.
And third form
Send.
is gone.
Yes. Send.
Ma'am, your voice is not clear. I can't hear you properly.
Send.
Sent.
Send. Here, people, no?
Sent.
Okay. Learn. Learn.
Learned.
Learn.
ईडी लग जाएगा
Learn.
ईडी.
Learn.
Hello.
Same. Learn for learn what?
Learned.
Learn.
Yes,
ED you should add. That's all.
Yes,
No.
an ED. It's can add. Yes, ma'am. ED.
Okay. See, you make it into present continuous. Okay. I'll give you one sentence. Shruti is studying. Shruti is.
Shruti is.
So.
Hello. Yes, ma'am. Shruti
Hello.
is. Hello.
Shruti is studying. Make it into future tense. Future simple.
Shruti is driving.
Studying.
Studying.
Make it
Studying.
into future form. Future
Past.
tense.
Okay.
Future.
Shruti will be studying. Shruti will be
Yes,
studying.
will be. Yeah, past
In
form.
past, Shruti had been studying.
Yeah.
Shruti
That
had
is
been
past continuous.
Shruti
Shruti has studied.
Shruti was
Was
studying.
study, has studied. It's past tense. Only past tense. Past continuous means you should add ing.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Before I went to London. Make it into present form. Before I went to London. It is, which form it is? Before I went to London is which form?
Ma'am, your voice is not clear.
Hello. Before I
Ma'am,
went.
your voice.
Hello. Can you hear now? Hello. Hello.
Ma'am, everybody has the same issue that your voice is not clear.
What shall I do? No, I went everywhere. I'm staying. Before I was in the same place. I don't know now why it's not now today.
Don't know.
Yeah, now you see. Yeah, now it's clear.
No, ma'am, not clear.
Now.
Hello.
Hello. Yes. Hello.
Now clear, ma'am.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Before I went to London. Say it in the present tense form. Before I went to London. Make it in the present
Before
tense
that,
form.
I went to London.
I went to London. Make it in the present form.
Present form. I'm going to London.
Yes,
No.
yes. Future.
Okay.
See here, what I'm saying. Before I went to London, I'm saying make it into present
I
tense
will
form.
be going.
I will be going is future. Present.
Still, your voice is not clear. Your voice is breaking.
Hello. Hello. Now.
No, ma'am, not clear.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Hello.
Ma'am, your voice is not clear.
Now.
Not now.
Hello.
Ma'am, same issue.
Oh God, yeah. Hello. Now.
Hello.
Hello.
Ma'am, am I audible to you?
Yes, it's clear to me. Everyone's voice are
But
clear
your
to
voice
me.
is not clear, ma'am. Your voice is not clear. Your voice is not clear.
Now see, make it into present form. See the sentence. James went to market. Make it into simple present. James went to market. Hello, Priya.
Yes, James.
Yes, James went to market. Present tense.
James go to market.
She go to market. She goes to market.
James
In present. In
Go
present.
to
is
market.
going to market. Present continuous. You can make it into present continuous.
Ma'am, negative sentence.
James. No. Present continuous tense. James went to
Ma'am, you
market. Make it into present continuous.
James going to
James-
market.
going to market. She is
Yes.
going to market.
Yes, James is going to market. That's all, no?
Market.
James is
Yes,
going to market. ING is there. Is a present form and ING you are adding. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, see, I have once will revise what all should be added for the present tense, present continuous and all. Okay. See, present continuous, what do you want to add? Present continuous. You should add ING. Yes or no? Can you hear me?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. See here. So present tense is are. We use is in are and hello.
Hello.
Yes. For present tense, we add is and are, and in the present continuous, is and are will be there. Along with that, ing will be added. Present continuous. For present perfect, what we do? We want to add have been, has been. Yes or no? So for present perfect continuous, have been plus ing you should have. I'll ask you later. Have plus been plus ing. For present perfect. That is the present perfect continuous tense. So for past tense, we'll add ed. The word make it to past. And for past continuous, was, plus ing will add. For past perfect, we add a had. For past perfect continuous, had plus been plus ing. Yes. For future, will. Future continuous, will plus be plus ing. Yes or no? For future perfect, will plus have or had plus have, will be, will have. Then for future perfect continuous, will plus have plus been plus ing will be there. This is what the rules you should follow when it is in the present, past, or in the future tense. Okay. Yes, Kiran. Hello, Kiran. Hello. Hello, Kiran. Hello.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So for present, what is the present continuous tense? What will be the pattern of writing? Subject plus what will be there? Present continuous. Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Present continuous. What will be there? Subject plus?
Ma'am in present continuous.
Yes.
Ma'am, subject plus ing plus is am
Ah,
are plus verb plus
yes.
object.
Okay. Future perfect continuous. Future
Ma'am, in
perfect
future.
continuous.
Ma'am, in future perfect continuous.
Yes.
Subject plus will have been plus verb plus ing plus object. In perfect
Yes,
continuous.
Okay, ma. Sheetal. Sheetal.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So
Hello.
for past, yes, past continuous. What will be there? Past continuous.
Past
Subject plus.
continuous.
Ah. Subject plus.
Ha- had,
Mm,
have,
no. Perfect. Perfect. It is had. Now I'm asking just
had,
past continuous. Past continuous.
was,
Yes. Was, were plus ing.
was,
What for past
ing.
perfect continuous? Yes. Past perfect continuous.
Past perfect continuous.
Yes.
Had been, ing.
Yes. Had been
Had
plus ing. Yes.
been, ing. Us,
For
ing.
yes. Past continuous.
For
Past continuous.
past continuous.
Mm.
Past continuous. Past continuous. Past continuous. Was a verb.
Plus.
Was verb. Was verb.
Yes. Plus
ing form.
ing. Yes. Yes.
ing.
Okay.
ing.
Okay. Priya. Priya. Hello,
Hello. Yes,
Priya.
ma'am.
Yes. For future,
Yes,
ma.
ma'am.
For future. Future continuous. Subject plus.
Future continuous.
Yes.
Ma'am, will be an ing form plus ing form.
Yes. And for perfect. Future perfect.
In perfect, will have been.
Will have been. So future perfect continuous.
Yeah, will have.
Perfect
Ma'am,
continuous.
will have plus third form.
Yes. See, will be plus
In
ing.
perfect. In
Will have been plus ing. Will be there for future
ing.
perfect
in perfect.
continuous.
Yes, ma'am. Perfect continuous.
Yes. Same one example for it. No. Future perfect continuous.
I will have been working in this company since
Okay.
2018.
Okay. So what it is means, what this you want to remember is what are the things that is the subject plus be form, what you add for each. It may be the present, future, and past tense. So that if you remember, you can easily go through it and you can write about it. Okay. So I'll ask you each one to say few sentences. Each one. That is, Priya, you say about the past. You should say some instead of past tense form. And Sheetal in the future and Kiran in the present tense form. So 4 to 5 sentence each. Okay. So yeah. Kiran. Hello, Kiran. Yeah.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
say few
Yes, ma'am.
words about the past tense. Past tense. All you're saying everything should be in the past tense form. Past tense form.
Ma'am, your voice is not coming clearly.
Yes, me, ma'am.
Hello.
Hello.
Can you hear?
Yes, me, ma'am. Sometimes,
Okay.
na, when you are talking, sometimes your voice is not clear.
No, it's
It's
no
breaking.
disturbance, ma'am. No, I'm
Yes,
alone.
ma'am.
I'm alone and no one is here to mean extra sounds. I'm not at all here. Is it
No, no,
very
no. There is
silent?
no extra sound, ma'am. There is no extra sound, but your voice is breaking. It's not
Yeah,
continuously.
I don't know. What's the problem? I used to sit same place. I went outside. My mummy was scolding me. Why you're going outside and all?
I'm really
No
sorry for that. I'm
connection.
really sorry for that. I don't know, but yes, that's why I entered in a class. Somebody texted me that my voice is not clear, so that's why I entered to the class. So now your voice. Sometimes your voice is literally totally clear, but
Yeah.
you know, half of the class is
Yes.
breaking. It's not continuously coming.
Yes, ma'am. I don't know what the thing. So I'm sitting same. I used to roam. At least to get the clear. So many were there. Now few they
Yeah, the
left.
people are texting me message. They all the students are continuously giving me message that ma'am voice is not clear, voice is not clear. So that's why I came back to the class. Priya, just let know the her, na, Rasmi ma'am, when the voice is not clear, just inform her. So ma'am can repeat the same sentence again, okay?
Hello. Yeah.
But ma'am, it's continuously baking. So what can I do for that?
Okay,
Yeah.
ma'am, you
Why
start
I
please.
don't know. Huh?
Ma'am, you start please.
Yeah. Yes. Okay, Kiran. Hello, Kiran. Kiran. Hello.
Kiran, can you hear?
Kiran.
Sheetal, are you there?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Okay, okay.
Good morning,
Kiran
ma'am.
arrived. Na? Kiran, what happened?
Kiran.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Say the past tense form. So 5 to 6 sentences. Every sentence should be in the past tense form. Start now.
Ma'am, in past tense form. Example.
Yes. Not example. You should talk something about 5 to 10 sentence, which should be all should be in the past tense form.
Ma'am, can you
Some
repeat?
story. You say 5 to 10 lines about any one of the topic that should be in the past tense form. Hello, Kiran. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, say no.
Ma'am, 5 sentence in past tense form, no? 5 sentence.
Yes, ma'am. Yes. It should be a like story, not like 5 sentence simply. It should be connected. Each should be connected. Something, one topic you are saying like that. It should be not just five past tenses form.
Okay. I lived in Uttarakhand.
Yes, say. Continue.
I lived in Uttarakhand. I cooked the food.
I cooked, not like that. I cooked the food. Food, no. I cooked the food. And then say,
I had been watching television.
watching it is present. You are watching still. I'm saying everything should be in the past tense form. Say no, Uttarakhand. There was, when in the past tense, what was there? When your childhood, what all will be there? All will be in present past tense form only, no? You can say that any of the incident, which will be all, all the things, what all the situations it was, it will be all past only. You can say anything in the past event, what it happened in the past. Say no. Hello, Kiran. Hello. Sheetal. Hello, Sheetal. Hello. Hello, Sheetal. Hello. Hello.
Shital, hello.
हेलो, माइक भी
Hello?
ऑन है कि नहीं है? हेलो,
No, no, she is not there.
हेलो,
Can you hear Rashmi ma'am properly or not?
नो, नॉट.
Oh
What
yeah,
means
same issue.
ma'am saying? Yes,
She has come.
I think there is network problem.
Sheetal, your voice is not clear also.
Same here. You are also.
Yes, hello.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I roam. Yeah. So I roamed everywhere around my house, everywhere, wherever I can. I roamed. No
Ma'am,
way.
same here. Me too.
Abba, God. Tell, say
But
me the thing.
Tanja ma'am's voice is clear to me. It's
Yeah,
no
I
breaking,
know.
no
Because why
issue.
no? I was
Ma'am,
sitting there
I
saying
have
that
made,
silent.
ma'am,
Yeah.
I have
Yeah.
made past simple tense. मतलब,
Yeah. Say
I
now.
have made
Yes.
all
Say now.
past. Can I?
Okay. Say.
When I was
Yes,
a
sir.
kid. Hello?
Yes, say now.
When I
I'm here.
was a kid,
Hmm.
story theme.
Okay.
Okay, okay. A kid was innocent. One summer noon, the girl was in her dream or dreaming of a wonderland, and suddenly she woke up and started doing cleansing of body and brushing her teeth for leaving for school. She was very much curious about for her school. She was thinking in her mind about all the games for the games period and was heading towards all the things she will do the whole day. But suddenly her mother asked her, "Hey girl,
She
what
will,
are you doing?" It's
will you
fine.
add?
Nahin, she,
No.
yes, yes. Past,
Ah,
future also, na?
past on the past.
But her mother asked her, "Hey girl, what are you doing? It's 5 p.m. It's evening, not morning." Her mother said to her, "My lovely daughter, come out of your dream world and let's have coffee." And it was end of dreams of that girl, and by ending of dream, the story will end. The story ends. Thank you. It's right or wrong?
It's good. What the thing is, everything, when you are saying, yeah, you are in that situation, you are
Yes,
adding
ma'am.
the picture. So everything should be in the
Yes,
past.
past.
Yeah.
Okay.
Priya,
Next time.
Priya, okay. Priya,
Yes, ma'am.
the future. Talk about future tense. All.
Future tense. I had to make a story with future tense, ma'am.
Yes. Not
Okay.
story. At least you can say something. What will be there about the future India? So how it may be? What about the few corona in future? Everything is future
Mm.
tense. Yeah.
Hello.
Yes. Yeah. Say. Start.
Can you pardon, please? Actually, your voice is not clear, so I can't hear properly that what you said to me.
About future. So you can say anything about future
Anything.
India.
Okay. Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
After lockdown, I will go for shopping, and then I will purchase so many things from the market like dresses, cosmetics, and all. I will I will I will take so many things from there, and I took I
See, and took, no,
no
and
ma'am.
took. Yeah. Took, don't say. And don't
Took
say.
is ma'am second form, is it is a past tense. Sorry, actually. Then I will go for watch movie in cinema hall, because I like to watch movies and went to sorry फिर से went. Then I will go to meet with my friends and enjoy with them. That's all, ma'am.
Yeah, you have many dreams after Corona.
Yes, ma'am.
After Corona, you have many things to do then. After lockdown, yeah?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. After lockdown,
Ma'am, yes, same here.
so many things I want to do.
Okay, see, many were there starting. Now
Yes.
everyone left. So there should be one rule. After entering, you should not leave. That I told before itself. But still,
Yes,
go
ma'am.
on. They were there. Many were there. 7 to 8.
Hmm.
You should have patience to wait. I roamed everywhere, but still no network, proper network. What to do? Some days it may be like network problem. It's all everyone's voice is
Yes,
clear
ma'am.
to me. Everything, everyone voice, but my voice you're not reaching to you. For everyone the same case means network problem somewhere. Okay, so tomorrow, I mean, think tenses is enough, or you need to be tomorrow. You can revise once again, or we'll start part of speech.
What, ma'am?
You need to continue tenses revision, or we can do parts of speech tomorrow.
Okay, ma'am.
What revision or part of speech? You need revision of this only or part of speech.
Ma'am, can I have your
Awesome.
number?
Parts of speech
Yes.
or revision.
Hello.
Hello.
Ma'am, can I have your number?
Yeah. 88
Because 88
61
8861
8343
8343
26
56
226.
26.
26 8861 834326.
Yes, so that's number. So tomorrow, Kiran, hello, Kiran.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you escaped. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Then because my issue is going on, no, I am not able to connect.
Now you can say about past tense or present tense. You say something about a story or any of the incident. Present tense. You say present.
Ma'am, can you repeat?
Present tense. Present
Yes.
tense form. You explain anything.
Ma'am, in any topic by using
Yes,
present tense.
Yes, any topic.
Okay, ma'am. Now I will tell about my school memories by using by using present tense.
Yes.
I was in the school. I was playing. I am playing with my friends badminton in school. We are doing cheating and we are not obeying the rule and regulation in the school.
No. See, all these which were its event has been completed now. That you are saying now. Now in the where you are sitting, in the drawing room or in the kitchen room, where you are sitting, that situation, what is going on in your home, present. You can say that no. That is present tense. So what the incident happened in the school, you can't say that is all completed. Present means which is happening now. Say that. Kiran. Hello, Kiran. Neha. Hello, Neha.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So,
Ma'am.
yes. So give examples there for the present tense, all present, simple present, present continuous, present perfect, and present perfect continuous. So give example.
Okay, ma'am. I get up 6 o'clock. That is present simple tense. Hello.
Hello, I
Yes,
get up.
ma'am.
It's past now. So today, what it is happening? So it is raining now.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, like that. You say now. Present, simple present. It is raining. Like that you say.
It is raining today. The sunset is the in the west.
Continuous, continuous. Yeah, simple continuous. Example one you give.
She is singing. I'm reading novels.
Yes. And then simple present perfect.
I have taken my lunch.
Okay. Past perfect continuous.
She has been studying since for 2 hours.
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Can you
Since
say
for sorry, ma'am.
yes?
Sorry. She has been studying since 4 o'clock or 6 o'clock.
Like that you should say. The timings are continuous.
Yes, ma'am.
Studying.
Studying.
Present tense form, you say some of the incident, what is happening now. About that, 5 to 6 lines you say.
Yeah, ma'am. Hello, ma'am. I'm not
Yeah.
able to
Start
understand your word.
some event, present tense form. Some of the event you explain in the present tense form.
Oh, I think, ma'am,
Say, I
any
am
even.
any event present. Say it is raining. There, the cloud is fully. It's cloud. It's very much cloudy. I have prepared a boat. I'm leaving the boat. Like this, some incident about rain or anything. It should be all continue. Means present tense. Like that. Anything. I'm watching TV. What was there? Who is the hero there? Like that. Anything.
We can say that now today is Dinkle sir mother birthday.
Yeah. Say. Say no. Neha.
Yes, ma'am.
Speak.
Ma'am,
Any 5 sentence you make up from present tense, man. No story, nothing. Simple present tense, 5 sentences you make.
I go to Delhi.
Uh, then
Uh, the match starts at 9 o'clock.
now, Matt will start now. Then
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, that is present simple tense.
yeah. Next, present simple tense only, ma. Say all 5 sentences of it only. Only simple present.
Okay, ma'am.
Why, Neha?
I think I get up early in the morning.
Yes.
I listen
I listen them.
I listen to the music. Anything. Yes, then. Say no. Why?
I work hard.
Hmm.
You angry person.
You
You
are
anger. Sorry. You.
an angry person. An will come no A
Sorry.
and will then. Today Dinkar sir mother birthday.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then
Neha, you can describe yourself in a pleasant way. Just like I am Neha Pandey. I am 18-year-old. I have two brothers. I have two
Oh,
sisters. That's
that type.
that
yes.
type only. That type only. Present tense now. What is that type? Yes, say no.
She is confused.
Neha.
Yes, ma'am.
Say no. That type only. Say.
Ma'am, actually, voice is not correct, so I'm not here all wording.
Nothing to hear, man. Say present tense sentence. That's all. Neha Pandey.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So tomorrow you need revision of tenses or you need to start parts of speech. Priya,
Okay, ma'am.
what? Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Revision or
Yes,
parts of
ma'am.
speech. Which you need?
Both.
Hello.
Both. Anyone. Parts
Yes,
of
ma'am.
speech or
Okay.
revision.
Hmm.
Which you need?
Noted, ma'am. Partial speech.
Hello.
Ma'am, I know.
What is revision?
Yes, ma'am.
You need revision of parts of speech.
Your voice is not clear. I'm not able to understand
Ma'am, I
you.
know.
Yeah.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I can call you.
Revision of parts of speech you need.
Ma'am, I learn.
Huh?
I learn.
Yes. Okay. See, tomorrow I'll be studying parts of speech. Yes,
Okay, ma'am.
Priya,
Yes, ma'am.
can you hear?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am, I
ma'am.
hear.
Parts of speech tomorrow we will
Priya.
start. Yeah, you go through it and come little bit about parts of speech.
Ma'am, there are
Okay?
There are 8 parts of speech.
Yeah. Just you revise tomorrow. Tomorrow.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Hello, Priya.
क्या बोल रही थी मैम? मुझे कुछ सुनाई नहीं आ रहा था, कुछ भी नहीं आ रहा था सुनाई।
यार मुझे भी समझ में नहीं आ रहा है प्रिया मैम ने बोला क्या।
अरे सुनो।
तुम्हारी भी क्लियर
मैम
नहीं आ
कह
रही
रही थी
मुझे।
ना।
मेरे में नेटवर्क में दिक्कत होगी शायद। तुम्हारी भी मुझे क्लियर नहीं आ रही है।
अरे मेरा मुझे भी वॉइस नहीं आ रही, पता है मैं समझ ही नहीं पा रही मैम क्या बोल रही हैं। आधा सुनाई दे रहा है उनका, मुझे
पता नहीं
समझ
है,
नहीं।
मैम कह रही है अरे शांत। मैम बोलिए स्पीच के बारे में पूछूंगी कि कितने टाइप की होती है, पार्शियल और डायरेक्ट इनडायरेक्ट, पता नहीं क्या क्या पूछेंगी। कल बताएंगी वो टॉपिक।
तुम्हारी आवाज कट रही है यार।
पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच कह रही है मैम, बताना जरा।
पार्ट ऑफ स्पीच 8 होती है ना, वो तो पता ही है। नाउन, प्रोनाउन, एडजेक्टिव,
एडजेक्टिव,
प्रीपोजिशन, वर्ब,
वाला
एडवर्ब।
वर्ब। तो मैंने
हाँ
से
वो
वही
कल
पूछेंगी।
बताएंगी मैम।
मुझे समझ में नहीं आता मैम बोल क्या
हाँ।
रही।
अच्छा तो आप
आज
कोई नहीं
नेटवर्क इशू
पढ़ाएगा?
बहुत है।
पता नहीं मेरे नेटवर्क इशू है, पता नहीं मैम के हैं, मुझे तनुजा मैम
मेरा
की क्लियर आ रही थी लेकिन।
कुछ सुनाई नहीं
नहीं
दे रहा, पता
प्रिया
है
आपकी भी
हिमांशु
आवाज नहीं
का
आ
तो
रही है क्लियर।
हाँ
मेरे को भी मैम की आवाज क्लियर सुनाई नहीं दे रही थी रे, बहुत कट कट के आ
मुझे
रही थी।
सुनाई नहीं देती ज्यादातर, पता है
नेहा
रश्मि
और
मैम
प्रिया
की।
की कट कट के आवाज आ रही है।
हाँ वही तो
नेहा की
हमारे
भी
यहाँ
आवाज नहीं आ रही है।
क्या करें फिर अब?
क्या करें, मजे करो।
क्या करूं फिर अब?
नेटवर्क को घुमाओ जरा नेटवर्क को और मोबाइल को।
छी यार, मुझे
क्या?
तो इंग्लिश बोलने में भी हेजिटेशन होती है इतनी है, पता है तुम तो बोल भी लेते हो यार।
अरे जस्ट फ्रेंड, मतलब मैम मत समझो, फ्रेंड है वो हमारी, बोलते रहो।
यार फिर भी
और
ना,
आप बहुत
मतलब
कंफ्यूज हो
आते
जाते हो।
मेरे उसका वर्ड नहीं निकलते, पता नहीं ऐसा क्यों हो जाता है, डर के मारे।
क्यों डर रही हो कि कौन सा मैम आपको
गड़बड़
देख रही है, मार रही है?
ये
जस्ट
भी है
चिल
यार।
और
प्रिया सर
आराम
नहीं
से।
आए ना? प्रिया
इवनिंग क्लास
क्या
में आने
सर?
वाले हैं प्रियानो।
सर शायद 5 बजे लेंगे क्लास।
हम्म
12:30। हाँ
वो कल 5 बजे वाली क्लास में क्या हुआ था, मैं तो ले नहीं पा रही हूँ यार।
मोटिवेशन क्लास हो गया तो दिनकर सर लेंगे।
ओके
क्या?
देखो।
बोलो।
जो मैम ने कल कहते तनुजा मैम ने जो लिखाए नहीं थे कल,
हाँ
और वो बस सेंड कर दोगे व्हाट्सएप में, मेरे
यार
हो गए हैं।
अरे कुछ नहीं,
कर
मुझे कर देना यार, मैं देख लूंगी।
कर दूंगी। ये फिर 12:30 बजे मिलते हैं, मुझे लग रहा नहीं है क्लास हो गया फिर।
हाँ चलो ठीक है, बाय।
ओके बाय बाय।
बाय शीतल, बाय प्रिया, बाय किरण।
एचएम की यही लिंक है ना प्रिया? प्रिया